Guys, Devansh here. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about JEE Mains 2020, which is from 1st September to 6th September. Now, these are essentially the last minute tips for JEE Mains, and so I had actually increased my score drastically from my January attempt to my April attempt. So January में I had a score of around 200 and April में my score was 272, which is worth 18 questions of correct answers, and 18 questions is like 20% of the paper out of like 90 questions होता है ना. So yeah, so these tips that I'll be giving you would be very very crisp and short, and so there are a lot more tips out there and you can just waste endless amount of time in finding those and doing those, but I feel these tips are पर्सनली यूज्ड एंड गारंटीड बाय मी. तो यू कैन सी कि मेरा काफ़ी ड्रास्टिकली इंप्रूव हुआ था स्कोर, एंड इट काइंड ऑफ हेल्प मी अलॉट. तो मैं तुमसे वो जल्दी से शेयर करूंगा, एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट योर टाइम, एंड सिंस यू आर टेकिंग आउट टाइम एंड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, इट रियली मीन्स अलॉट. सो आई विल ट्राई टू कीप इट वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट एंड वेरी वेरी क्रिस्प. Thanks. Let's get straight into it. First come first, don't get demotivated or distracted or waste time in thinking about postponement of the exam. Now these three things are a killer to your preparation right now. You can't afford to think about and use your mental and brain power in these things. अब जो हो रहा है वो हो गया. This is the final thing. For those who are not preparing for BITSAT or JEE Advanced, this is your final race, and I want you to understand the importance of JEE Mains. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि तुम अगर एडवांस्ड और बिटसैट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो तो तुम जेई मेन्स को लाइट ले सकते हो. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, बिकॉज जेई मेन्स विल एक्चुअली टेल यू योर औकात कि you stand here in front of these many people, and it's a very good motivating factor if you ace this exam, and it really means a lot. So you just don't get demotivated. You have just given one main exam which was in January, and you have ample of time to improve yourself, and you had ample of time to improve yourself, and now अब फोड़ना है. ठीक है, तो ये सब थॉट्स नेगेटिव थॉट्स है, उन सबको आने ही मत दो. पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस की एक लिस्ट बनाओ. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस. दिस इज माय सेकंड पॉइंट. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस, keep it in front of a study table and just read it out every day. Third point is mocks should be your first priority. This time I gave 2 mocks every day. तो एक मेरे slot में 9:30 से 12:30 एंड 2:30 से 2 से 5 होता है ना. सो उसमें से एक स्लॉट था मेरा, आई थिंक 9:30 से 12:30 वाला था. तो आई यूज टू गिव वन मॉक एट दैट टाइम एंड अदर मॉक एट द सेकेंड स्लॉट, and I used to analyze those 2 mocks. Okay, so if you I have made a video on SWOT analysis, you can check that out. I'll link it here in the I button. Click on it, and तो तुम वो देखो, and study inorganic chemistry every day. So you have around 5 to 6 days. Study inorganic chemistry every day. NCERT चार्ट जाओ जितना ज़्यादा. The more you study inorganic chemistry, the higher chance will be कि तुम you will be able to score, because JEE Mains asks one single line of NCERT, will just remove a word, put a blank, and there will be 4 options. Yeah, it's like that. So NCERT kind of revising, keep on revising. The fourth point, and this was the most beneficial thing that I ever that I did to kind of improve my score. Solve previous year questions. Just get this thing inside. Solve previous year questions. By solving, I mean if you don't have time to solve each and every question, you will kind of have an idea by now कि this chapter is your strength, this chapter is your weakness, this chapter you sometimes get an answer or not, और this chapter का तुम्हें कुछ idea ही नहीं है. तो just keep on looking through papers. I had bought this Arihant book which consisted of all the January JEE Mains paper of all the slots, and I solved that rigorously. So I used to see every single questions throughout, like last की बात है, during this time only when I had around 5-6 days left. So I used to just see कि हाँ this question हो जाएगा, this question will be easy, this is hard. If I kind of get stuck, I just directly look into the solution, and like कुछ भी करके you should know कि ऐसा similar question आया तो मुझे फंसना नहीं है. That should be a priority right now, because you need to maximize the number of questions that you attempt now and like get correct. So no question should be kind of new. Obviously there will be some questions which will be very very new to you and you wouldn't have seen them, but those will be very very less. So just kind of get used to the questions that NT asked, especially for chemistry में so I found a pattern कि ये question like kind of comes. So for example, if I remember correctly, there's this table of pollutants ka concentration. So it came in around 3-4 papers during January JEE mains, and the same and the from so they asked this in the environment chapter. There's this table of pollutants, so they pakka se ask a question from that. So just learn the values, and these things you'll find as and when you give the mock test and see the questions, the previous year questions. Even if remember, even if you're not able to solve them, just skim through them once and kind of make sure कि तुम्हें आता है. Now, this is another original tip which kind of helped me a lot. So boards के लिए, while you were preparing for boards, I'm talking about CBSE board, you must have read NCERT and you must have read guides. Now, I would recommend reading guides to people who don't know shit about a chapter. Why read guides? Because guides kind of concise everything that is important and relevant theoretically for the chapter. For example, chapters like communication and this semiconductors in physics, these chapters are very, very theoretical, and there are some set of questions which kind of you don't need deep concept clarity for it, but those are very repetitive questions कि कुछ तो होते थे. तो you can just use the guide and kind of skim through all the questions once, so that you kind of gain confidence for those chapters. And chemistry के लिए, okay, chemistry के लिए I use this guide exam idea की. So for especially for inorganic and organic chemistry, because उसमें they kind of list down every reaction that is important from that chapter, and inorganic में they kind of state every statement. For P block they'll give properties of every element, and I use this guide for revising inorganic chemistry every day. And for physics I use this guide, for the semiconductors part. So I just bought this volume 2 Pradeep physics wala, like physics wali guide, and I solved that. So these are 2 books that I would recommend. And your approach should be to solve problems, not to read theory. Problem solving should be your primary target. Theory is something which, okay, for except inorganic chemistry, everything else that is out there, maths ले लो, पूरा physics ले लो, and physical chemistry and organic chemistry, focus on problem solving, because mains NTA won't ask a lot theoretical questions from these chapters. Even if they'll ask, it will be 1 or 2 questions, and that you will be easily be able to manage. If you don't know a chapter, let's say in maths, so in maths I use this book. I really like this book. It had easy questions. I won't recommend it for JEE Advanced, but for JEE Mains it had around 100 to 150 questions for each chapter. And if you want to revise that chapter, just start solving questions randomly, and you'll kind of get to know every single sub part of that chapter. So it was a very easy way of revising stuff. ठीक है. And इसके बाद, even for physics and chemistry, mark some questions की that are relevant for revising. You can easily revise a concept by doing those questions. So focus on problem solving rather than reading a textbook and underlining stuff and remembering, iska ye formula tha. Instead of remembering the formula, apply it. You will be able to remember it much better and much faster. One last tip. So you'll be solving a lot of questions in these few days that you have. Now what you can do is just click a picture or take a screenshot of the questions that you find really difficult, or something that you never saw and it came suddenly and तुम्हारे लिए बहुत नया सा है. So just click a picture, and on the last day, just before your JEE mains, just chill, relax, and watch. Have a look at those questions and the solution, because those will kind of be a cream on the cake. कि you will feel कि even the questions which were new, I kind of know कि उसको answer कैसे करना. General tips: eat healthy, sleep well. Focus on your sleep cycle. Make sure that you're sleeping at the right time, and you are the most productive when you are kind of solving paper during your slot, practicing a mock. So for example, if your slot is from 9:30 to 12:30, your brain should be maximum running to its best capacity at that time. ठीक है. And also lastly, this is what I did and it helped me, is don't use social media, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, सब बंद कर दो for the time being, because see, it is all about your internal motivation now. And any post out there, any random comment or any comedy video or anything which is there can kind of ruin your mood and ruin your energy. So watch relevant videos, रिलैक्सिंग इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट एज स्टडिंग. सिर्फ पढ़ते रहने से तुम्हारी प्रोडक्टिविटी डाउन हिल जाएगी. रिलैक्सिंग इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट social media and all these things might consume a lot more time that you would want to devote to the relaxation part. ठीक है. Yeah, I think that's all for this video. If I remember any other tip, I'll mention down it in the comments. And please, if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. And I'm all these things are genuinely to help you guys. So if you kind of disagree to some of these strategies और टिप्स, उसे मत फॉलो करना, या फिर मुझे बता देना कि आप इनसे अग्री नहीं करते हो, तो मैं उसमें काइंड ऑफ इम्प्रूव कर दूंगा. मैं कमेंट का रिप्लाई कर दूंगा उसका. थैंक्स अ लॉट गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग इट.